The liver is essential accessory organ of the digestive system. The normal color of the liver is reddish brown. It is shiny, firm, yung consistency. It has sharp edge. Ang function niya is metabolism, detoxification, and production of bile. The adjacent structure of the liver is the gallbladder, which contains the bile. Yung function ng bile is emulsification of fats. So yan. So paano malalaman kung normal yung liver o hindi? Pag in-incise mo si liver, tapos pag binalik mo na bumalik sa dati, then that is normal. Yun yung normal na liver. Pag in-incise mo siya tapos hindi na siya bumalik, then there's something wrong with the liver. One of the possible pathologic lesion that could affect the liver is called the milk spot, resulted from the migration of the parasitic infestation of Ascaris suum. The liver can be also affected by liver cirrhosis due to the infestation of the Fasciola hepatica. The inflammation of the liver is called hepatitis.